welcome to my presentation. I'm Mali, and today I want to talk about my project. It's Burglar Alarm. If you are ready, let's start. What is the alarm? An alarm is a signal for a dangerous situation to be always ready to prevent danger in a dangerous situation that will arise. We have various alarms, but we will examine the one used for thieves. What is the purpose of using the burglar alarm? It ensures the protection of your property and life from malicious people. You can live more safely and peacefully at home. It also ensures the safety of our workplaces, factories, warehouses without us. How does the burglar alarm work? A burglar alarm system consists of a series of electrical components that are connected to a property via sensors and contacts. They detect moment or the opening of doors and windows, upon which a loud alarm is produced to alert the nearby of the unauthorized entry. What materials are used in the burglar alarm? Arduino R3, PIR sensor, its motion sensor, piezo, its buzzer, small experimental circuit, its breadboard. Arduino R3. The Arduino R3 is a microcontroller board based on a removable dual inline package at Mega 328 AVR microcontroller. PIR sensor. PIR sensors are sensors used to detect the movement of living things in an environment. Buzzer piezo. Buzzers and speakers are transducers that convert electrical energy into sound. Small experimental circuits, its breadboard. And it's our simulation. Then these are our codes, but firstly we will examine the part of simulation, then we will look into part of codes. Now we examine part of simulation. This Arduino R3, this motion sensor to detect when the thief comes, this piezo buzzer to make noise, and these are cables, this is our breadboard, and this is our resistor. Firstly, we are making the pin connections. We connect the Arduino to the motion sensor here, which is the number 2. Then we connect the power part of the motion sensor to the plus. Then we give 5 volt from Arduino to here. Then we connect the ground to minus. We connect the resistor to the piezo for the cut the high current coming to the piezo. Then we connect the Arduino to piezo here. Because of this, we choose number 4, and then we connect the minus part of piezo to the ground. End of the connections to the complete circuit. This 5 volts connect the part of plus, and this ground connect the minus of breadboard. Now we can start the part of codes. Now we are looking at the codes, and these codes I add for the enjoy. I want to make different thing. These are notes, heads of notes, some notes, do, re, and mi. And this pin mode to input. This code for using motion sensors input. We connect number of two, and for this code we using piezo output. We connect it number of 4, and this code for reading motion sensors values. If motion sensors detect moments, piezo will making sound. For the making sound, we use tone codes. This number of piezo output, and these are hertz, different hertz of notes. We use delay codes for the how much time it's working, and for the close the piezo we use no tone. Again we connect number of 4 with Arduino R3. Yes, that is. Then we can try is it working or not. Yes. This motion sensor and this target. Yes. It's working. Yes, this is end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.